Hello, everyone. Look at the last picture. That is a nice kitchen. There are a table and two chairs in the kitchen. Tom and Mary buy this house last week. Tom is 40 years old. He has worked at a big company for about 15 years. Mary is 40 years old too. She is an engineer at a big company. She is always want to have a big kitchen, and now she had it. She is very happy about it. She cleans this kitchen every day. I want a big kitchen too. I hope one day I have one like this. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.